Assalamualaikum everyone. Hari ini saya nak share the long-awaited Roborock S7MaxV Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop review. All of the frequently asked questions yang saya selalu dapat dekat my DM, saya akan address in this video. Kami switched to this brand and model when our EcoVax robot started acting up after almost 3 years of use. The model yang kita orang pakai dulu was Dbot 920 Osmo. Since warranty pun dah habis, kita orang nak upgrade with a robot vacuum yang ada more features than what we had. Model Dbot yang lama dulu ada all the basic features, boleh mop and vacuum, and it came equipped with laser mapping. Before use, kena isi tank air and install the mop pad. After use, kena empty the dustbin and remove the mop pad and basuh. And this one kena buat every time for the best results. Currently, kami pakai Roborock S7MaxV Ultra dengan auto clean dock and a drying module for the mop. Saya akan start first with the actual robot features yang saya rasa paling penting to us. The first is the AI feature yang boleh avoid furniture, medium-sized toys, most wires, and if korang ada pets, this robot boleh avoid their number 2 accidents. Tapi this robot dah pernah chew through one of our phone chargers, so for loose wires, kami still keep it away from the floors just to be safe. Second, the main brush ni is made of rubber silicone instead of one yang berbulu. Jadi, rambut tak sangkut in the brush that much. Third, the suction pun paling kuat in the market right now. Fourth, the mop bukan a wet mop macam our Dbot, tapi this one dia ada vibration for a cleaner mopping result. Not only that, dia ada feature yang the robot boleh lift the mopping pad bila lalu on carpet. For robot vacuums yang tak ada this feature, they will avoid the carpet in mop mode. Jadi, dulu kena vacuum dulu, baru run lagi sekali to mop to make sure the whole area tu bersih. Now, because ada the lift feature, kami boleh bersihkan the entire room in one single run. Basically, the robot akan mop the flooring macam biasa. Bila dia nak go over carpet, dia akan lift the mop pad and the robot akan vacuum only on the carpet and the carpet pun tak basah. Biasanya, the edges of the carpet maybe akan basah sikit dekat area the robot tu naik from the flooring. As for the battery, if vacuum mode only, boleh cover the entire house dalam 2500 square feet macam tu in a single charge. Tapi, kalau mop and vacuum, dia tak boleh settle satu rumah, and this part saya akan elaborate further bila saya cover the self-cleaning mop feature. And all this is already an upgrade dari our old robot. One con of the Roborock from our Dbot is, the Roborock ni tinggi sikit, jadi it doesn't clean as well dekat the toe kick area in our kitchen sebab the toe kick ni almost the same height dengan the robot. Cara kami make sure the robot boleh clean as efficiently is, kami akan spot clean any sticky spots, and kalau ada benda-benda besar macam daun kering, food scraps yang lagi besar dari duit shilling di mesin kita, kami akan sapu dulu before the robot runs. Before, saya kena isi the water tank, remove the mop pad and empty the dustbin setiap hari. Sekarang, the only thing yang saya kena buat every day is empty the dirty water tank. Yup, that's it. The dirty water saya akan dump dalam toilet bowl and flush. After that, rinse the tank, lap sikit kalau basah and install balik the tank into the cleaning dock. What happens after every cleaning session is, the dog akan empty out the robot's dustbin and it will go inside this vacuum bag in the dog yang kena tukar every 1 to 2 months. This is week 8 for us, jadi kami akan tukar the vacuum bag today. And how to do that is, just tarik this grey plastic tab and remove completely. Lepas tu, boleh insert the new one. One great feature about the vacuum bag ni is this plastic tab seal. Bila kita slide it out, dia terus seal the vacuum bag. Jadi, tak dusty langsung this part of the cleaning dock maintenance. As for the water tanks, the cleaning dock ada dua. Satu untuk clean water dan satu untuk dirty water. Capacity the clean water tank 3 liter dan 2.5 liter untuk the dirty water tank. The dirty water tank saya akan clear every day so that tak ada issue with any unpleasant smell. Tapi pernah je kami clear the dirty water tank after 1 week and still tak ada issue. Cleaning it daily is more of my personal preference. As for the clean water tank, saya akan isi every 3 to 5 days depending on the use. Best jugalah sebab the capacity besar and long gone of the days yang kena buat the solution every time nak mop the floor. My tip untuk the clean water tank is, saya akan pastikan untuk tukar the water every 5 days max sebab kita tak nak ada any growth issues in the tank. This issue is common sebab dalam water tank ni bukan just water tapi it's a water and floor cleaner solution. Jadi this solution tak boleh tinggal lama-lama sebab nanti ada bacteria growth in there yang boleh clog up the tank and akan start berbau juga. For the Roborock, saya tak beli any special floor cleaner. Saya pakai the one yang we've been using for years. This brand memang my favourite sebab the floors bersih, tak melekit dan bau pun tak too strong. Saya dilute based on the product recommendation. Untuk tank 3 liter ni, saya pakai 2/3 of the cap sahaja. This part maybe korang kena eksperimen sikit to make sure yang the floor cleaner cukup banyak untuk clean the floors tapi tak banyak sangat sampai tinggal a residue. Isi the water tank first dengan air, lepas tu baru pour in the floor cleaner. This way tak adalah berbuih-buih dalam the water tank ni. And here's another tip yang I rasa why our water tanks tak ada odor issues is because the dog ni kami letak dekat area yang tak kena direct sunlight. Tapi Syah, takkan tak tukar the mop pad every day? Good question. The clean dog akan cuci the mop pads after every session. Not only that, the clean dog akan cuci juga the mop pads midway throughout the cleaning session. This one boleh set dekat the app by time or by room. Kita orang set that the robot cleans the mop pad every 20 minutes. Boleh juga set by room, meaning that sebelum dia cuci another room, dia cuci dulu the mop pad. And this feature yang saya mention before yang makan bateri sebab the robot akan go back and forth to the cleaning dog to wash the mop. Right now, saya hanya tukar the mop pad once every week and this is only possible and hygienic sebab kami beli and install the drying module untuk the mop pad. This part right here is the drying module. Lepas the cleaning dog cuci the mop pad, the drying module akan start. The drying module works by blowing warm air dekat bawah ni. Boleh set the drying module untuk run 2 ke 3 jam. Untuk the best drying result, pakai the longest setting. Jadi, the drying module also make sure area dog ni sentiasa kering and tak ada any damp elements down here. And this is what the mop pad looks like lepas seminggu. Ada some dust residue je tinggal on the mop pad. This week nampak kotor sikit sebab the robot baru clean up after we had our akan service. Jadi, the floors were extra dirty this week. The mop pad boleh cuci dalam the washing machine and dryer. And here's what it looks like once it comes out of the dryer. The mop pad on the right is the one that we've been using in the past week. Jadi, the auto clean dog does a great job of cleaning it in between uses. Tak makan electricity banyak ke dengan the drying module ni? Surprisingly, bill elektrik kita orang tak ada beza before and after kita orang pakai the Roborock. So my guess is not very much. If kita orang tak beli the drying module, kami akan change the mop pads daily instead tapi tak perlu tukar in between cleaning sessions. If tak ada the auto clean feature, memang saya akan tukar the mop pad with every session. This isn't such a big deal sebab kalau nak beli the mop pads banyak-banyak pun tak mahal sangat. Kami run the robot a few times a day. Kitchen biasanya kami akan clean with every meal, the rest of the common areas once a day and akan suruh the robot clean again throughout the day if perlu. Untuk bilik tidur, saya run once every 3 days and itu pun just to vacuum sebab our flooring hardwood. Jadi, saya kena mop manually. And that's why it's important to get a robot vacuum yang boleh buat mapping so that kita boleh hantar the robot to clean a specific area sahaja bila perlu. In terms of the mapping and app, saya rasa the Roborock app jauh lagi better dari Ecovacs punya. Towards the end of our deboard Ecovacs robot life, selalu ada isu robot tu sesat and tak ada cara yang senang nak recover the map and kena suruh the robot scan balik the whole house. Dalam the Roborock punya app, kita boleh suruh the robot scan the house and kita boleh name the rooms, add furnitures and the AI akan pick up juga if in that room ada extension cords. Lepas tu, kita boleh save and backup that map. If the robot sesat and the map corrupted, kita boleh recover the backup map yang kita save dulu. So, soalan cepumas yang semua orang nak tahu, is it worth the money? For the full retail price, sejujurnya, my answer is no. Don't get me wrong, I love all the features, tapi the full retail price is crazy expensive. Korang percaya tak, kami beli the robot and the cleaning dog with 2 years warranty for RM3.6K only. How? Kami beli during Black Friday sale dekat Shopee and stack Roborock store voucher dengan Shopee voucher. Kami beli the dog and robot asing sebab kalau beli together dapat 1 tahun warranty sahaja dan kalau beli asing dapat 2 years warranty. The drying module pun kami beli asing and direct from China sebab it's half price dari beli from Roborock Malaysia. The drying module tak dapat warranty tapi if rosak pun it is less than RM200 untuk beli yang baru. For the price yang kami beli, baru saya rasa berbaloi and value for money. The features memang rasa first class and we use the robot more untuk maintenance instead of the robot tu doing the major cleanup work. It's great for dust, crumbs and hair. Daily maintenance of the robot sekarang pun minimal and saya kena mop manually once a month sahaja untuk get rid of tough spots that I missed. The robot vacuum ni memang jadi my assistant sebab biasanya lepas I clean up a mess on the floor dengan kain and sabun, I akan ask the robot to run after me, terus bersih and the floors will look spotless. With small kids and messy eaters, memang I love the cleaning dog feature sebab now memang tak berapa nak kena fikir sangat about this part of the house cleaning. And the maintenance bit of the robot and the dog is also very easy. The robot vacuum and mop is one of my must-have things at home sebab before I mop and vacuum daily. These days, I spot clean the kitchen, dining room and living room sahaja since those 3 spaces je yang the kids makan. The rest of the house, the robot yang clean on its own since it's not high traffic. It's been great for us juga sebab rumah kita orang single story jadi that one robot and dog boleh service the whole house with minimal intervention by us. You guys have to bear in mind yang some parts of the robot ni kena tukar over time. Tapi the parts are not that expensive since ada option OEM yang compatible. For heavy users like us, kami tukar the parts 3 times a year. Every 2 weeks, kami akan wipe off the dust of the robot and the clean dog. And kami akan check juga the dustbin in the vacuum and clean if necessary. The other options yang kita orang look into masa nak replace our D-board was Dreame L10S Ultra, which is in the same price range dengan Roborock, and Roidmi Eva yang murah lagi, but it's not as good as Dreame or the Roborock. Kami decide to go with the Roborock sebab it was value for money after all of the discounts. Korang boleh check out these other models, mana tahu is compatible for your needs. In the next coming weeks, saya akan share juga how we change things around the house supaya it's easier for the robot to clean so that I can clean less. As usual, saya akan share the link to this robot and all of the accessories that we bought on my Telegram channel and on my website. And if korang tengah watch this on YouTube, saya akan share the links below in the description. Thanks for watching everyone. Till next time.